Like a garage, I shut them down. Cans clapping and they loud. In Manhattan running around. About to make my way to Brooklyn. I'm not in the boogie down. Too much drama in the X. That's something I could live without. I'm a nigga from the X, but I spin through the whole town. Bitches in Queens love a nigga in Jamaica. I get around. What she think don't matter now. I'm not trying to impress. She gotta impress me. Show me something or it's next. She could get left, shut it down. Like a garage door. She not at all running off with me, she won't even get a quickie. Hold no Bentley, pretty Ricky, a pretty boy like Floyd. Handsome Harry Banks, no Lloyd. At the same old boy, watch my face, it's a long day. Dodging trouble like Troy. I enjoyed selling products, counting profits. Smoke so loud it's making noise. I raise my voice, you can hear me loud and clear. I'm the nigga who say listen through my entire career. Waves be spinning in my head like a spirit I appear. God just had to let the shine light on me like a headlights on a deer. And now I'm here, I don't got no fears. I could go anywhere. Listen, love. Like a garage, I shut them down. Cans clapping and they loud. In Manhattan running around. About to make my way to Brooklyn. I'm not in the boogie down. Too much drama in the X. That's something I got live without. I'm a nigga from the X, but I spin through the whole town. Like shine that light. Turn down like a garage door.